Hair decoration. Gourds or calabashes, whether decorated or not, basically fulfill practical functions in the daily activities of the Fulani family. Cut into containers of various shapes and sizes, they are used for serving foods and drinks, for milking cattle, and are carriers' vessels. However, the decorated ones have additional value. They are highly prized objects of prestigious and aesthetic value. Used as containers for food and drink, they embellish the service. As tools in the dairy trade, they attract customers. Thereby, women generally put on elaborate and colorful scarf around their head. However, among young women, the care of the hair is the one aspect of personal adornment to which they pay much attention. For instance, during the Diafarabe cattle crossing festival, one of the biggest Fulani festival in Mali, girls dress up to welcome their boyfriends when they return from months herding cattle in the desert. Most important to them are their hair decorations. They may take about 4 or 5 days to dress their hair for the festival, about 2 more days to plait the braids, and then 2 or 3 more to weave in the coins and the amber. The hairstyles are so elaborate that they are giving special names. The hairstyles are elevated to the level of pure artistic form. The hairstyle depends on the locality, sex, age, and social status. However, there may be preference for design which is convenient for their household activities which involve carrying loads on their heads.